Hey guys, welcome back to the Canadian Daddy Show. Today we're going to be showing you how to make homemade squishies. We haven't made a video in a while, like longer than last time. So first you're going to need some paper, toilet paper, scissors, and this is just like how I made one. And you're going to need crayons and tape. I made a bigger one and it wasted like a lot of tape. So first what you're going to do is you got to fold it. So you can get, so on the other, you got to fold it like this. So on the other side, so like on the other side of the paper you get the same shape. So what you have to do first is cut out a square. This is a horrible one. I'm going to make a bigger one. First what you do is cut out a square. We're only making one because we make two there. So, and it should look like this. So what you do is get some tape, measure how long it is. It should be about this long. And then do that. And then you want to get your tape and put a side of tape on this side and then fold it. That's the easier way. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. It's long, but we can make it work. So then you put it on this side. And then fold. Sometimes you need to cut off the ends. Now what you need to do is open this up. Sometimes you have to put your fingers between it and then get your toilet paper and make a long one, probably about this size. And then what you do is get your toilet paper and just fold it up like that and just stick it in your homemade squishy. And now what you're going to do is get some more tape and put it on the top like we did with the sides and fold. Now what you're going to do is get your crayons and get any color you want and just draw anything on it. I'm drawing our house. Drawing our house. Yellow. I'm drawing my house right now. Our house is yellow with a red rooftop. And that's how you make a paper squishy. And you can do the same thing with the other side, like anything you want. I made this one at my mom's house with markers because I don't really want to use crayons, and it says popcorn is amazing, so good. And that's how you make a paper squishy. Bye.